Hello, buddies. Welcome to day 11 of our 21-day Webflow challenge. And right now, we are going to be working on the SEO, the search engine optimization of this our chef portfolio website. So I've actually prompted some text on ChatGPT. So right now, you come to the pages and you're going to navigate through and come to settings. So right now, this is settings. You scroll down. Okay, you scroll down. I actually made some mistakes. Yeah, why else this? I'm coming. Okay, this is not it. Sorry. This is our page. I'm coming. Just want to ensure that we are working on the right page. So come to home. I'm coming here. So I just want to ensure that we are working on the right page. On the right page. Okay, this is our website. I'm coming. This is our website. So this is our website. That's the test website which I'm using. So this is our website which I am building. Yeah, party. Yeah. So we'll come to pages, navigate to pages. So you're going to see the home page, the contact page, and the product template page, which is CMS implementation, which we implemented our CMS into, and it's dynamic. So right now you come to home and come here. So it's loading. So you just have to be patient with my network. So you can see that home page. So you can see no title, no meta description. So now we are going to fill the title. I've generated some prompt on ChatGPT, which is actually making sense, and I'm going to be sharing this in the description of the course below. So let me go up. You can see I've created the prompts. So this is the title: Megan Torres, professional chef cook. So come to her title, paste that. So you've seen that. The next thing which I'm going to paste right now is meta description. So make it personalized. So meet Megan Torres, your go-to chef and cook. So you can see that country C, and I'm going to paste this. You've seen that, making sense. So open graph title. So we're going to use an open graph title now. So an open graph title, when you want to share this to on Twitter, on anywhere, on WhatsApp, that is the image that is going to bring and the text. Do you understand? So that is what we want to put now. So I don't want to use the same thing that is in a meta description. So right now, this is the open graph title: Megan Torres, professional cook and culinary artist, Ghana's cooking with a professional touch. This is quite cool for that. So we put that. You're seeing that. Then the open graph description, explore the world of Megan Torres. You can see that. So up. So let me save this. I want to go get the image, the open graph image on the home page. So let's come to the home page. Okay, under assets, let me come to asset and settings. So you've seen that. So let me copy this and come to pages, home page. Then you're gonna see where I'm going to paste this. So I'm going to be pasting it here. So let's see. So you've seen that. Cool. You can see that making sense. So I'm going to be saving this. So we've done that. So right now, let's work on our work templates section. Let's work on that part. Let's work on the title, meta description. So let's add a feed. So this feed here, I just want to have project name, bash party, okay, let me have project name. Let's assume I will say bash party project. Sorry. Done. So let's add here project here. So you see that bash party project done. So we can say read more about this project done by Megan Torres. So the final, we are going to add the brief project description. Yeah. So you've seen that, which is quite cool. So the same thing, let me use same as this because nothing much here, and same here. So select an image. So let's use project image for this, which is actually making sense. You can see that this is actually making sense for this. So I'm just going to save here. I'm going to just save. Cool. So the last one which we are going to be working on right now is our contact us section, which I've actually generated on ChatGPT. So let's come to the meta description of this. So you come here, Control C, and we come to paste. Let's paste this here at first. The meta description, get in touch. Okay, so I'm going to use this, get in touch with, okay, to be the title. Sorry, get in touch with Megan Torres. So I'm going to remove this. Yep, quite cool. Then the open graph, nope. I have open graph which I intend using. I have an open graph which I intend using. So contact chef, this is the open graph title, which is making sense. Yep. Then the open graph SEO, open graph meta description, sorry, looking to connect. Yeah, so I will add this, yeah, which is making sense. An open graph image, so let me save, and I'm going to go and use that same image which we use in our home page. So I'll come to assets. So where's the assets here? Then copy this image again, then go back to pages. So you can see that, come to contact settings and scroll down and paste that right away. So it should show up, then save. So this is basic SEO which you can do after creating any project in Webflow. So make sure you like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So day 12, we are going to be working on something interesting, something great, which you're going to be learning. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you for the next video, in our class for the next video. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Please subscribe to Bezali of Tech. Subscribe. Thank you.